everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. You guys, today I have a review of my POLENE NUMERO micro bag.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask that you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, guys, let's get on into the review. The POLENE NUMERO micro bag. Here she is in all her glory. She is such a cute little baby. So we're gonna go over all the nitty-gritty when it comes to her: pricing, quality, is it worth it, ways you can wear her, do I think she's practical being a micro bag. We'll also go over what fits inside and everything in between. So let's just kind of get started with the looks of this bag. You know, that's like the first thing people see when they see a bag. They're gonna see the look of it. So here's what she looks like. Let me take her little strap out. Here is all of her. She is this tiny little micro bag. She is in black and gold. That's what I got. There's multiple different colors in every kind of bag that POLENE sells on their website. So I got the black one, and then I think she is, oh god, is she like a calf leather, a bovine leather? Let me check. It is a calf leather, and then she does come with this strap that you can use to crossbody, and she has a little top handle up here, and then on the back she has this little baby pocket that I'm not sure what would fit in here, maybe like some coins or something. And then she opens up from the front just like this. She does have two little buttons right here that like snap open. There we go. And then she expands out like this, and this is the full interior of the micro bag. She opens up pretty wide, I think. So when it comes to the overall look of this bag, I think it kind of depends on what you're looking for in a bag. You know, they have this particular bag in bigger sizes. They have them in, of course, the micro size. I got this because I really wanted to, like, you know, be with it on the micro bag trend. I had FOMO, and the FOMO got to me, and I really wanted to get a micro bag. However, I didn't want to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars to get like a Dior micro bag, or to get like a mini Chanel bag or anything like that. I got one that was relatively inexpensive, just to kind of like check the box, like tick the box on the micro bag. So yeah, this is what she looks like, and then we'll get into ways that you can wear her. Okay, so mostly I feel like when people wear this bag, they're going to crossbody this bag, and that's what I would probably do as well. I have worn this bag a couple of times since I got it, and every time I did crossbody the bag because it's like so cute. Look how cute that is. And she just kind of lays there. I do wish she would come up just a tiny bit higher. I know there is a way to adjust the strap, but I cannot figure that out. It's kind of a hard strap to adjust, in my opinion. I'm probably just doing it wrong, and I'm probably just not versed in the world of strap adjusting, but I find this strap really hard to adjust. Like, I can't figure it out, so I don't really know how to adjust it and make it shorter. So I kind of just left it on the longest setting it can go because I can't figure out how to adjust it properly. So, but on the website they also say that you can of course shoulder carry this bag. It's a bit long, in my opinion, to shoulder carry. And then I saw some people on the website wearing it as a necklace. I don't know. I mean, you would have to make this shorter for sure. Like, it would need to be like up here or something. But yeah, I did see a couple people on the website wearing it like a necklace like this. Mine's way too long, but if you shortened it and did it like this, you could wear it that way. I don't know who really would wear it that way. I wouldn't personally. I would just crossbody it, but you have the option. And then technically you could take these straps off. There is a little doodad right here where you can take the straps off, and I guess if you wanted to, you could carry it as just like a top handle. Again, I feel like this bag is best used crossbody, but if you would want to wear it as a top panel, then you could do that as well. Next up, let's talk about the pricing on this bag. This bag is very cheap compared to other kinds of like luxury bags. I don't even know if you would consider this bag to be luxury. I feel like right now the Polene bags are just very trendy, and because they come out with such cool designs. Like they have a lot of really cool designs. Kate Middleton recently wore one of their bags to an event that she went to, so that got them a lot of press, which is so cool. They have since, when I got this bag, it was like $140, so I think I paid like $150 altogether for this bag. But I did just check the website because I was looking at what this was made out of, and they have increased it by 20 bucks. So it currently now, or 30 bucks, it is currently now $170, and then with tax and shipping I would imagine it to be like 180, 185. I still think it's a great deal. I still think it's a good price for a bag like this. I mean, you can't get a micro bag in the luxury space for less than $1,000. So I think this is like the next best option if you are on a budget, or if you just don't want to spend the money on like a luxury, super luxury one. And also their other bags too, even like the bigger sizes, are still I think all of their bags are under $1,000. I think the most expensive one that I saw was maybe like 600 bucks. I will have their website linked in the description for you if you want to check it out. Not sponsored or anything like that, just I like the brand. I think it's really cool. I like what they're doing. You know, they're really innovative. You know, they're not copying other brands. You know, all these bags that they come out with are genuinely their own creation. They thought of it, they made it happen, and they're not copying any other bags. Let's talk about the practicality of this bag, shall we? Is this something that you should actually buy? Is this like an everyday kind of bag? Will this fit your everyday essentials, or is this only a bag that you're going to be able to use if you're going for a night out? Is this only a bag that you could wear if you were like a minimalist? So, I mean, realistically, I'm probably gonna say yes, because obviously your phone doesn't fit in here. You can't fit a whole key holder in here. You can't fit a wallet in here or a card holder. You can only fit cards. Again, I will be doing a what fits in this bag here in a little bit, but you know, it's a micro bag. That's the point of this bag. It's not meant to fit a lot. It's meant to fit your bare necessities. So, yeah, I do think, however, it can hold a lot more than one would say. A lot more than meets the eye, Frodo. So I think that if you are someone that does not carry much, if you carry some cards, a lipstick, your car keys, like separately, again, you can't carry a key holder, but if you have, or you can't really put them on a keychain either, unless you only have like a couple of keys on your keychain. Like if it's just your car key, your house key, and one other key, maybe you could fit it in here. But when I did it, I had to take my keys off of my key holder, so I couldn't put the whole thing in here. Oh, you can fit your AirPods in here, like a small little travel fragrance. Yeah, if you're someone that just doesn't carry a lot of stuff, then I would say this would be a good everyday bag for you. But if you are someone that even remotely or also if you're someone that wears pockets or has pockets a lot, then this would be all right, because you could like put your phone in your pocket or put your phone somewhere else. But like if you don't wear pockets and you need somewhere to put your phone, you're kind of screwed because there's nowhere else to put it. I don't know. I think it really just depends. But if you're someone that really doesn't carry much, I think that you could get away with wearing this. If you're someone that carries even remotely more than the minimalist, this is not going to be enough size. This is not going to be big enough for you. I think that this bag is primarily meant for nights out, when you don't need to carry a lot. Just depends on the situation, really. Depends on what you're going to do. But I do think that she does fit a good amount, so. Do I think she's impractical? No. I think it depends on what you need to do and what your lifestyle holds, and kind of like what you carry on an everyday basis to begin with. So I think that she could work for some people, and I do think that she'll be too small for other people. But again, she's relatively inexpensive, so you could like try one out, give them a try, and then like just say that you tried the micro trend, you know, like I did, because this one in particular is less than 200 bucks. So pretty good. there's not been, I know normally I do like pros and cons when it comes to like reviews and stuff, but there's not really any cons, like striking cons that I have, you know, discovered with this bag. Actually, I take that back. There is one striking con. It's this damn strap. I cannot for the life of me figure out how to adjust this, because this right here is connected to a little ring, right? And this is connected to it like that, and it's looped. Okay, so you have other options, like other like little holes right there, if you can see that. But this one is also looped. It's also looped, and if you undo it right here, like if you unhook it right there, you can't move it. Like you can unhook it, like you can unhook it. I've unhooked it, right? So you can move this little bottom bit up and then put it into a different hole, like this one up here. But then you can't move this down. Like, what the hell is this? Is this just gonna have to stay like this? What are you supposed to be able to do? You can't pull this down. I have no idea. I have no idea. So that's my only issue with this bag, my only qualm, if you will. I don't like the strap, this thing. I did get a chain strap, like a gold chain strap from Coach, so that I could take these leather straps off and then just hook the gold chain to these little rings. It is cool that they allowed this to come off. It is cool because, you know, I'm sure they had in mind, oh, people might want to change out the strap. So that's actually really nice that they do allow you to do that and change the strap out. So that's a win. I just don't love the strap here because I think it's kind of hard to, well, not kind of, I think it's really hard to adjust. And I'm probably just really stupid, but I can't figure it out. All right, let me take you over to the hot seat right here and show you what fits in this bag. All right, you guys, I do apologize if the audio is a little weird in this clip. I did take my mic off because my mic points this way, so I had to take it off in order for sound to even come up. So here's my Polene bag. I have it in the little hot seat. Let's open her up here. And there's what she looks like on the inside. So just for reference, this is my card holder. So she can fit in here technically, but she doesn't close. So it's not really worth trying to put a card holder in here because it just won't close. I do have 3 cards here, and there is a little back pocket, if you can see that right there, which does fit cards very, very nicely. And I found that it can fit a stack of 3 with no issues. Maybe you could fit one more in there, but I think 3 is such a good number for that. And then, you know, you do have a lot of space in here. So I've got my lip balm in there. I've got my AirPods right here that can also go in here really easily. I've got my house key and my car key right here that can just kind of just go right on in there. And honestly, I don't really have any, like, I don't know what else to put in here. Oh, you can do like, here is just like some loose cash that you can put in here as well and just kind of like tuck it back in the back. And that right there is probably pretty good. You could definitely fit like a sample fragrance. You could fit that in here. You could fit, if you had like a tiny little travel size lotion or like a sample size lotion or something, you could fit that in here as well. And then what I like to do is whenever I use her, I do like to make sure that I'm able to button these back. Technically, you don't have to. You could just do it like this and just button the main one and just have it like this, but I don't like these little wings sticking out. I like it to be like more structured, so I make sure that I can button these back. So that probably takes away a little space for me as well, just because I like it to remain structured and keep its shape. But yeah, that's where she fits. She honestly probably will fit a little more in here that I put. But I just wanted to show you some like bigger items that you could put in here, like the lip balm and the AirPods and stuff like that. But yeah, that's how she fits. So what did you think? Honestly, I think she fits more than you would think. Still a micro bag, still doesn't fit like a ton of stuff, but I think that she's pretty roomy inside of here for a micro bag. But you guys, that's pretty much all that I have to say regarding this bag. Do I think you should get it? I think absolutely yes. My personal opinion, because it's so inexpensive compared to other luxury bags, I think that it would not hurt to give it a try. You know, again, it's under 200 bucks. If you're wanting to just try out the micro bag trend, if you have any interest whatsoever in giving it a shot, then I would recommend getting this. I do think it's worth it, but if you're not into micro bags, if you just know that's not going to work for you, then I say, well, maybe look at some of their other bags because they have really cool designs. And again, they're all under $1,000. So you guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you think of the POLENE Numero micro bag, or just let me know what you think of POLENE in general. If you have any of the POLENE bags, let me know what you have in the comments, or just leave me a comment telling me anything, just because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!